Hey, what's up? In this edit I'm looking into the muffled audio effect like you saw in the intro. So I've used it here for my intro and outro. You can use it for different clips such as like underwater and different environments, going from indoor, outdoor, and that kind of thing. So I'll get started. It's very simple. I'm just going to go back to my original audio clip. So I've got my original audio clip here. It doesn't have any effects applied at the moment. You can see that in the audio inspector on the right here, there's no effects applied. If you go to the effects panel down at the bottom right and type in muffled or muff and then bring the muffled onto your audio clip, that will apply your muffled effect. And I'll toggle it on and off. So you can see there when I toggle it on and off, it really does muffle it. So to my knowledge, you can't use the slider here or keyframes to just bring it in and out, because even with it on 0, it's still applied. So I can show you that quickly as well. So even with it on 0, so you can see there, even with it 0, and I turn on and off the muffled effect, it's still on. The amount here just changes the amount of this muffled effect. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the audio clip up and then delete the muffled effect on certain clips. So if I come to here, I want the audio to start muffling here at this transition. So I'm just going to go onto the audio clip and Command B, which will cut it. And then I'm going to go to the end of this transition where I want it to go back to the original audio clip. Again, Command B. And now I have 3 clips here. So the first clip here, I want it to not be muffled. So I'm just going to go over to the effects and delete. And again, on this one here, I'm going to delete. So now I'm left with this middle clip here with the muffled effect. So if I play that back, so that's very basic there. You can play around with that, getting the timings better. So you can use this amount slider here. I'll show you that on the end clip here. So again, I'm going to come to this transition or the blur, and I'm going to Command B or cut the clip, and I want this one to have the muffled effect. And so I'm just going to apply that muffled effect onto that end clip. You can see it here. And I'm going to start off with 0. I'll add a keyframe. And then I'll say come about halfway, and I'll bring it up to about 80 or 90. That brings it into like a real nice deep muffled effect. You'll see what I mean if I play it back. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, you can play around with the keyframes with that, and with different intros, outros, different clips. With your timing also, you also have presets here. I'm just going to use the muffled clean. I'm not going to go into the others. It's really just one that you should just play around with. So if you like the video, then subscribe. Until next time, cheers.